Hello, welcome to this Moodle video on how to add a choice tool to your Moodle unit. Navigate to the unit and select Turn Editing On. Then, within the topic space you wish to use, add an activity or resource. Select Choice and then Add appears at the bottom. Everything in red within Moodle must be completed, so I've got to give this a choice name and a description. Now, the choice tool allows you to pose the question to a student and give them a choice. So I'm going to use this to find out what sort of communications my students would prefer. So while I'm filling in the description, you'll notice also that there is a display method for the options. You can either have it displayed horizontally or you can have it displayed vertically. I am going to choose to have it displayed vertically. Can the choice be updated? Can they maybe change their mind? Maybe they said email, then they prefer text. With limiting the number of responses that are allowed, you are able to limit what the student can select. Now, in this case, I'm not going to limit the responses because they may prefer sort of email and a text. So that way they're able to choose which versions they would prefer to have. However, if you're doing maybe a menu option for a restaurant, you'd want to limit it because you then need to know the numbers for that particular meal. So I'm going to fill in my options. The first option is mandatory. The second and the third are optional, and you can carry on down the list and add as many options as you can think of. So I'm going to have email, text message, written letter, and in this case I'm also going to have a carrier pigeon. You can add more forms if you need them to have more options. Availability, you're going to restrict when they can do this. It may be that you want to run it from the first week of term, which in this case I'm going to say is running between the 7th to the 14th of July. The results that come through, are they going to be visible to the students or are they only going to be for you? If you choose not to publish the results, then you'll still be able to see them, they're just not published to the students and to the other students as well. If you are going to display the results, are they going to be anonymous? Maybe you want them to see that 50% of people would like text messages, but not tell them who would prefer that option. Once you've finished, click Save and Return to Course. Takes you back to the unit, ready to carry on developing your Moodle unit. Thank you very much for watching this particular video.